flip it over, remember?
Bumpy part. Bumpy part.
Yeah, the bumpy part goes up, remember, like this. Or put your shoe out so you can see it. Remember, the bumpy part goes up like this. Very good.
Josie do it.
Josie do it. That's
Really easy.
it's really easy. It's kind of like a puzzle, isn't it?
Josie crying.
You gonna help? Remember the bumpy side goes up? Okay. Here. Hold it with your hand. And put it right through there. Almost got it. Good job. Slide it right through. Do you mean to hold the silver part for you? Okay, here. Now you can push it right through there. It's hard, isn't it? I think you got it. Oop, that was so close. You gonna try it again? Oh, I think you have it this time for sure, huh?
Really easy.
It's really easy. Here. Come up here and I'll try. Now sit up and Mommy will help. Okay, I'll hold the silver part and you can slide it right through. Remember to flip it over so the bumpy part goes up. Maybe use two hands. Remember the bumpy part goes to the top? You try like this. The other way, sweet girl. This way. Okay. Ready? Hold it like this. And Mama hold this. Now slide it right through. Now pull. Yay! Good job, Jose.
What? That's what. Mom,